Are you overwhelmed by quick-fix diets? It's time for a sustainable solution. The Mediterranean diet is widely recognized for its ability to promote longevity. It emphasizes nutrient-dense foods that support a healthy and longer life. What is a longevity diet plan? It's not just about restrictions, but involves eating patterns that enhance lifespan and health span. This diet combats aging processes like inflammation and oxidative stress through nutrient-rich foods. Research from top institutions shows it can effectively extend life. The Mediterranean diet stands out for its scientific backing. Studies demonstrate that it reduces cardiovascular events significantly. Unlike strict diets, it focuses on balance. Incorporate abundant plant foods, olive oil, moderate fish, and minimal meat and sweets. Adhering to this diet correlates with lower mortality rates, reinforcing its protective effects against chronic diseases. Key components include 1. Plant-based foods. Prioritize leafy greens, berries, legumes, and whole grains. These foods help reduce risks of heart disease and offer essential nutrients. 2. Healthy fats. Emphasize olive oil and nuts. These fats are crucial for heart health and longevity. 3. Quality protein. Include moderate amounts of fish, legumes, and nuts. This can support muscle health without excess intake that may accelerate aging. Are you ready to embrace the Mediterranean diet? Small, sustainable changes can lead to lasting improvements. Start by integrating olive oil for cooking, adding more vegetables, and choosing whole grains. Focus on timing your meals for better health. Create a supportive environment by stocking your pantry with Mediterranean staples. Embrace the social aspects of dining by enjoying meals with family or friends. As a start, try making a simple Mediterranean lentil soup loaded with nutrients. This soup combines lentils, vegetables, and olive oil, embodying everything discussed. Transitioning to a longevity diet can seem challenging, but remember, every positive step counts. Even partial adherence can lead to substantial health benefits. So, are you ready to transform your health and potentially add years to your life? Explore more about the Mediterranean diet, along with recipes, meal plans, and practical tips. Join the journey to longevity today.